Going for a walk with my bird here. She's not a happy camper because it's been a while since she's worn her harness and she's not happy. She's trying to take it off. But if you go outside and your bird is not fully trained, this is the best thing to do, is make sure that they wear a harness so they can't fly away. She's trained, but this is the first time we're gonna go out. I don't want her taken off right now, and then me sitting there for a while to see if I can get her back. So I'm just gonna put the harness on her. Nice sunny day. Still a little bit on the fresh side. She is still obsessed with her harness. Okay, look where we are. Look it. We're going for a walk. There you go. Now you see it. Hmm? Hmm? You want to go walk on the grass? Huh, baby? Stop messing with your harness. Hi. Hey, there you go. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, there you go. Now you're calming down. Do you hear the birdies? Yeah? Do you hear the birdies? Want to keep walking? Yeah? You gonna come here? You gonna come here? Come here. Yeah, come here. Yes. Come on, girl. This is still new for you again, huh? We gotta do this more often so you remember, huh, baby girl? Hi. Do you see this? Do you see this? Baby? Yeah, see, we're outside. Olivia. There you go. There's a good girl. Hi, my beautiful girl. Look at the tree. Yeah, look at that. Now you're starting to warm up a little bit, huh? Yeah. You still don't like that harness, do you? Come on. What are you doing? Silly girl. You're not interested in the tree? Yeah, it's a pine tree. There you go. New surroundings. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Hi, baby. Yeah, I know. I know you don't like this harness, but you'll get used to it again. It's okay. Hi. Where you going? Where you going? Hello. Just making it a super short walk because it's the first time after the winter. It is still a little fresh outside. I don't want her getting sick, but I want her to get used to the harness again so I can go for walks with her again. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hi. Hey, don't eat my shirt. Don't eat my shirt. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.